Imagine why heis mahori agus a fasti and shacked and shot magic play fuckle bunch of lesh and Nollag. We're discussing words to do with Christmas agus go Harry ha Daidí na Nollag, especially Father Christmas or Santa. So Daidí na Nollag. So Shaw a Daidí na Nollag and shin Daidí na Nollag Santa. Agus talan dreachtig bunch lesh and chaser. There's lots of magic associated with the season. Dreacht. Agus fecken to and chiag. You see and chiag, the fairy, ag bar and cran Nollag at the top of the Christmas tree. Agus ta Coney or Daidí na Nollag. Daidí na Nollag lives in Ampulhui at the North Pole. Agus scríban na pastí and lista. Children write their list. Da Daidí na Nollag to Santa. Agus ta si dig lorag na bregain. They're looking for na bregain, the toys. Daidí na Nollag, sorry, from Santa Claus. Agus tagan Santi goji artiha. Santa comes to our houses and car slaunan from pulled by the sleigh, on a sleigh. Agus shaw iad na cliggin ni car slaunan. These are the sleigh bells. Agus Shaw a Rudolph and Rian Ia. This is Rudolph, the reindeer, and Rian Ia, the reindeer. Agus Tarin she, agus Chamanan she, Daidí na Nollag, Chimple and Doan, Harry Hawain, and he takes Santa all around the world over a night. Agus diggin and feckin bunch of fuckalella, bunch of lesh and Nollag. We see other words here to do with Christmas. We have Ancana Candy. We have the candy canes. We have Nasulshi Nollag, the Christmas lights. Agus Mahagan and Schnack, if the snow comes, Jana much far Schnack that we make a snowman. Agus Shaw a Chrochi into a Shaw Doris and tea. You hang this on your door of your house. And Flesk Nollag, the Christmas wreath. Agus Shaw a and Drylus, the mistletoe. Agus togan to pogan a dogini fuin Drylus. You give a kiss to somebody under the mistletoe. Agus amanti current to ribbons cran na Nollag kamai. Agus Shaw a cran and Nollag and cran Nollag, the Christmas tree. Agus current to decorations and the mashukan. The decorations, the mashukan and cran Nollag. Agus fagan Daidí na Nollag na brontanish fui cran Nollag. Santa leaves the presents and brontanis, the present, fuin cran Nollag under the Christmas tree. So kahi tu of a jas dalini, you need to be good to people. Jas dalini, agus ni that dana, you should not be dana bold. No basic Daidí na Nollag or Santa will know kabigi jas agus nabi dana agus togan she na brega na leg agus current she na brega na leg is these the sack more jarag, the big red sack me and air and karslaunan that does be on the sleigh with him. Now Ibrian Dini tawak de Ella do Santi. Other important people work for Santa, and Lucharan, the elves. Non-elfie is the other simple word for elfie, and Lucharan, the elf. Agus usage and she the land erlishi. They use lots of erlishi, which are gadgets and tools, and erlishi, the tools. Marhampla usage and she paint and faint, the paint. Agus and scoob paintcha, the paintbrush. Agus and cassera, the wrench. Agus and casseur, the hammer. Agus and glue, the glue. Hun gafrod ayanu to make everything for us for Christmas. And Ibrian Sheet Goji and Jihala, they work very hard all the time. Ig Janu na Bregain do Santi, making the toys for Santa. So an marog Nollag ihan mudge done milshog egg la Nollag. We eat this for Christmas dessert on Christmas Day, and marog Nollag, the Christmas pudding. August amanti fagan to and mince pie amat the Santi and piog minra and piog vinra, which means the mince pie. and fiog mienra, the mince pie. So shaw iad na vocal lig. Sorry, I forgot the decorations was the wrong way around. An mashukan, the decorations. Or an mashukan, the decoration. August na mashukan, the decorations. August mashi and two and cran Nollag, you design the Christmas tree. So fólam na vocal nua, boys and girls, lots of words to do with Christmas. August and Nollag, Daidí na Nollag O'Harriha, especially Santa. August punigi salt as an video show on the Okla Nua a Olam to learn your new words. Enjoy this video. Gura mai give.